morning, beautiful people. Good morning or good afternoon or good evening, depending on the time that you're watching this. My name is Chimdi. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I do videos on fitness, lifestyle and fashion, and today is a vlog. Anyways, today is Saturday. I'm about to cut my hair and I just wanted to show you guys how I cut my hair, the process of me cutting my hair. This is by popular demand by one person, but it doesn't matter. I mean, like, I want to do it anyway. So if you want to see how I get my hair freshly shaved or whatever, stick around. It's actually not fully grown. It like still has, you know, stops and whatever. So I don't like it when it's like this. I like it when it's freshly shaved. Like, I feel the most wait, I'm just looking out through my window. But anyways, I feel the most beautiful when my hair is as smooth as an egg. I feel like a badass. I feel like nobody can talk to me anyhow when I cut my hair like that. Stick to the hand, please. Anyways, so the first thing I do is I boil some water. We just finished boiling, and I put it in a bucket. So I mean, the truth is, when I'm pressed for time, I don't boil water. I just like use the water from the tap, like hot water from the tap. And I'm not sure why I like to boil the water. I don't know. I feel like I want very hot water. Okay. And because it's very hot, I use dish washing gloves to like handle it, because what I'm going to do is I'm gonna soak my scalp with hot water. Anyways, so come with me to the bathroom. I washed my face earlier, like I did a scrub on my face like I do on Saturdays, and my face was like dry and patchy, and I didn't want you guys to see that, so I just kind of put like body lotion on my face, which is something I don't usually do. Like, I don't put body lotion on my face. I put shea butter on my face though. So I would take a towel, you know, soak it in there. Let me put it in the sink. And then I would soak my head. And I try to be very careful and gentle when I'm doing this. But this is just to soften the hair follicles and make it easier for it to come off. Even though, ooh, this thing is torn a little bit, so the water is seeping in through the gloves. But anyways, this is just to soften my hair follicles so that it's easy to shave. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna do this for, I don't know, 3 minutes ish, just until I feel like everything is like, you know. Usually how I tell is when my scalp is a bit red. That's how I know I've soaked it enough. I need music. I need to get music.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, like, it better be connected to me. Okay. Let's get some jams. I don't even know what I want to listen to. I know I don't want to listen to, should I listen to Release the Radar? Let's see New Jams. Although my New Jams is heavily packed with R&B, so I'm not sure if I want to do R&B. I don't know. Okay, let's do my Daily Mix 2. Yeah, my Daily Mix 2 should be fine. It's Nigerian songs and Afro songs. Oh my darling, pull it down.
Show them make sure that your daddy is known. Make sure that your mommy is known. When I finish, I go.
I think that's enough enough soaking. Then I get my bowl. This is like, I got this when I was dyeing my hair. I only dyed my hair once, but I just wanted to try it out. Anyways, I got this when I dyed my hair. And actually I need to change my shaving stick. I get a shaving stick and shaving cream. If you open that, and then I'll usually like wet my hair a little bit and then put some shaving cream on. Well, I usually buy Satin Care. It doesn't matter. This is the affordable one for me. Yeah. Ooh. Smells good. And then I lather up my hair. Let's see. This smells so good. It is, what is this? Passionista fruits. Okay, I guess it's not passion fruits. Passionista fruit. Get it right. Passionista fruit. So I just lather my head up, and I usually run hot water in this bowl to rinse off the stick. It needs to be hotter than that. It needs to be hotter than that. Okay, this is a new stick, so I need to be extra careful, but I try to go as slow as I can because I don't want cuts. I mean, I've gotten cuts before, but it's not a nice feeling. And I first of all go all back, and then after that I go forward. Okay, yeah, that's what I do. Should I on the lights? Shit. I also wanted to say another important thing is don't hold your head taut. I think that's how you pronounce it. T-A-U-T-E. Oh my god. Like, don't, you know when you're waxing and you hold your face or whatever like this and you wax, don't do that. Just leave your head as it is and just, like, you know, shave it, because when you like hold it taut like that, you run the risk of cutting yourself and getting ingrown hairs and razor bumps and all of that. You don't want that on your head. You want it to be as smooth as can be, because that's if you want to shave your head. That is music. So I'm done going back, and it's time to go forward in life. It's time to go forward in life. You can't keep looking behind your back. You have to leave the past in the past. So when I finish, I just like clean my head a little bit. At this point, the front is usually like really is smooth already, but if I run my fingers through it, I use my fingers to guide me, I can still feel like roughness in certain areas. So that's why I go forward, because this way I wouldn't feel anything. It feels all smooth this way, so I'll go this way now.
I don't wanna dance, but you put me in a trap.
I didn't even tell you guys. So the razor that you use should be 4 blades or more. Okay, if you use 2 blade razors, honey, you're going to get bumps, because I think the science behind it is the more blades, the less time you have to go over the same spot, because when you go over the same spot like a lot of times, you run the risk of getting razor bumps and cuts and all that. So the more blades you have, so let's say there are 5 blades, so blade 1, 2, 3 is getting to the hair, at least by blade 5 all the hair is gone. You don't need to go over it like 10 times. Okay, that's kind of like the science behind it.
Your body's up to something. You give me overdose. Are you cooking or something?
I do go sideways, but that's based on feel. So like when I'm done, I just kind of like run my hands through and see where it's rough, and then I, you know, shave in that direction. So I just finished cutting my hair. After that, I would put some shea butter and tea tree oil on my head. The tea tree oil helps with inflammation and stuff, just to prevent any bumps from developing. But I don't put a lot. I put like 1 drop of tea tree oil, and then I put some little shea butter and just rub on my scalp. So I just take my African shea butter yellow smooth. I get this from Amazon. So I get a little bit of it, just put that on my hand, and I get my tea tree oil, just any tea tree oil really, and then I just 1 drop, just 1 drop. You don't want too much of this stuff. And then I cream my head. Okay, that's basically it. I do this the first day I shave, the second day, like the first 2 days, this is how I cream my hair, my scalp, and the other days I just do whatever. Usually I just put shea butter on my head, just like that. Hi guys, it is currently Alexa. So it is currently 11:19 a.m. in the morning. Today is Sunday, and I look bright today because I'm going to the beach finally. Well, the closest things were beach right here. I mean, I could go to a better beach, but I don't want to drive for an hour plus. Anyways, so that's what's happening today. I'm going to the beach with my friends, and this is what I have on. I have this cover-up thing I got from Giant Tiger. It's just a t-shirt. It's like one large, extra large t-shirt, and then I have my beautiful bikini. It's orange or whatever with that matching bottoms. Not really matching, it's kind of like a lighter orange. But I'm actually hungry. I haven't eaten and I'm about to go out. So what I want to do is make some coffee. I was actually, like yesterday, oh my god, I was so tired, and Flo this month was freaking annoyed with me yesterday. So I hoped that today was gonna be better, but a bit of ice. So yeah, I feel better today. That's what I'm trying to say. So okay. So I haven't been to the beach a lot in my life, so honestly I don't even know the things they pack for a beach. I know you're supposed to pack something to lie down on. You're supposed to pack your sunscreen. I'm going to show you guys what I have packed, because I don't know. I just packed some blanket to put on the sand, but I'm going to put a mat below it, and this on top of the mat, and then some towels, and then just a pillow and my sunscreen. It's in there. I'm wearing my flip-flops, and then my bag just has like some shorts and some, I don't know, my bag essentials. I think that's it. I wish I had a bucket hat or something to protect my head. I'm not gonna lie, I've tried bucket hats and my head is too small for that thing. It says one size, but I'm like, you guys need to reduce the standard size a little bit, because my head, it just sinks my head. But maybe I might still get one because I'm on my way out to get some drinks, some snacks, some drinks and some snacks. Yeah, that's what I want to get. So stay tuned. What do you do? How are you? How are you? This thing wants to get me. I have another one. How are you? Wait. What do you want to throw inside there?
So I thought you were coming to hug me.
Oh, I was coming to hug you.
I was after my
Sorry. I know. I know. I thought about it, but I don't have, and I didn't want to. I didn't want to buy
preparation for new river. This is really nice.
So nice to buy that cooler. This new. I don't have space to keep it. That's why I don't buy it. It's burning like this. I'm like saying this sand is hot. I'm going to go and put my leg in water again. Stay here forever. No, I'll come back. It's like sushi ginger, and then this is wasabi, and then this is the sauce for the thing.
How am I even opening this thing? It's not like I know how to.
Wait. It's not gonna focus. Are you not gonna focus on me? There you go. Anyways, hi guys, today is, let me turn this thing off. I think it's making too much noise. So today is Monday the 2nd of August, and today is my roommate's birthday. Happy birthday, Corinne. I wish you the best of everything in life and God's blessings in abundance. So I am going to pick up a cake in about it's 1:45 right now, and I need to pick up the cake at 2 p.m. so the plan for today is to go for dinner. So I think I'm going to bring you guys along with me, because I think the only time I've taken you guys on a night out with me was on my birthday. It's been a long time. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do that again. So we went to pick up the cake, and guess what? They are closed, and I'm mad because the woman told me I should come on that day, this day, and I'm like, did she know that today was public holiday? Like, everybody been known this. Like, if you were not if you were confused, just give the phone to someone else. Anyways, so there's no cake right now, but we're going to go to DQ, Dairy Queen, and pick up an ice cream cake, thanks to Loretta. But now we are doing Amebo Aproko. We want to see what's going on in this place. Also, if you guys can hear me, it's actually green phase in New Brunswick, so some people are not wearing masks because it's not required anymore to wear masks, just in case. Wow, look at the people. It's like everybody. They let us come out and we were like, yes honey, we are out here now. There's no taking us back in. So we're back home and we got the cake. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it just says happy birthday Corinne, and it's some Oreo cake. Yeah, I'm trying to get this thing off.
It's currently reheating the pizza.
I was saying I hope this thing comes together, because like I wanted to do makeup, but like I don't know, anytime I start doing my makeup I start regretting it, because I'm like, I haven't done makeup in a long time. I don't even know if I know how to do my makeup anymore. So yeah. Finally ready. I'm just wearing this navy blue dress, same like bag I've been carrying throughout today, and these black heels. Oh, and this is what the makeup looks like. Birthday girl.
I was waiting for this.
How do you feel today being your birthday? I'm happy. You're happy? Thank you.
Thank you guys for coming.
We are happy to be here. Nice. You're looking nice with your yellow jumpsuit and the red lips. It goes together. Calm down. It's not your birthday.
I waited for this moment.
Oh yeah.
Hello people, hello people. Hello, I'm glad you come to my video. You know, we are celebrating my birthday. I can go back.
Okay. This one just won.
Somebody will do it.
I just came here to end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope it was entertaining in some way, fun, or you guys learned something. I don't even know. Was there any teachable moments in this vlog? But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comments down below what kind of videos you might want to see from me. Tell me what you liked about this video, or just tell me just something nice, okay? And subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Follow me on my social medias, okay? Fit with Chimdi and Chimdi Chime, okay? Thank you so much if you're watching this today, if you took the time out to watch this, and appreciate it and like it and comment on it. Thank you. Okay, it's time to go to bed because it's unfortunate, but we gotta get back to work tomorrow, man.